How to appear offline on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different icons. Go ahead and click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you land to your profile page, now at the top right corner you can find 3 bars, click on it. With that you'll land to the settings and activity page. Now over here you're going to find different sections. Scroll down. Under how others can interact with you, you will find the option of messages and story replies. Click on that option. Now navigate to this option of show activity status. Now from here you can easily appear offline. All you have to do is toggle off for this option of show your active status. Likewise head back. You can open this option show read receipts. You can also toggle off for this option. In the case you cannot find this option over here, at the very top you'll find the search box. Over there type in activity status and search for it. Click on the option of show activity status. With that you will directly land to this page. You can toggle off for this option and with that you will be good to go. Well, this is how you can easily appear offline on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.